Alice here, qualified nutritional therapist. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and also our weekly nutrition newsletter, and you can find the link in the description here. So in the newsletter you'll get access to a host of valuable resources, including nutrition guides, health tips on certain conditions, along with some supplement information. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye bye.